Hello guys, Tech here, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the Solidworks drawings short course modules. Module 1, Drawing Sheets and Views. In this module we'll be creating sheets and formats, then we'll be describing the terminology used in drawing sheets, and next we'll be creating drawing views, then we'll be sketching in the drawing views, and after that we'll be configuring view settings. Then we'll be creating center marks and center lines. Then we'll model edges in the view. Module 2. This is Dimensions module. In this module, we'll be adding dimensions to our drawings. Then we'll be manipulating the dimensions we have inserted. Then we'll check the dimension properties and change those properties. Module 3. Annotations. In this module, we'll be adding annotations, and then we'll be checking annotation types, and we'll be using blocks on annotations to put the details in the drawings. Module 4, Assembly Drawing Views. In this module, we'll be adding assembly drawing views. We'll be creating views of assembly and checking the properties of assembly views. Module 5, Sheet Formats and Templates. In this module, we'll be creating sheet formats and templates, creating drawing templates, checking properties in the templates, user-define the properties, and customizing a sheet format. Then we'll be defining title blocks, updating sheet formats. Then we'll complete this module. Module 6, Bill of Materials and Tables. In this module, we'll be creating and managing a bill of materials, manipulating the bill of materials, adding bill of materials in our drawing, and modifying the bill of materials, tabulated bill of materials, then creating balloons to the drawing, then design tables in the drawing. Module 7, Performance and Display Issues. In this module, we will be analyzing performance and display issues of the model. Then we'll be working with large assembly mode, and we'll work with lightweight drawings. Then we'll work with the touched drawings, and then we check the display issues in the drawing views. Module 8, Drawing References and Comparison. On this module, we will be working with reusing a drawing file, changing drawing references, using draw compare, and then we work with Solidworks design checker. That completes our modules for this course. That takes us to the end of this video. Please take 2 minutes to send a comment about your experience with CAD software. You can share your thoughts or ask questions on the comment section or through the provided contacts on the screen. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. If you would like more information or raise questions, please feel free to call or WhatsApp me at the contact details on the screen.